This video is for the Pythagorean Theorem. So Pythagorean Theorem says in a right triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a and b are your legs. And we say the legs are the ones that touch this right angle. They're the ones that make that right angle. And then c is always your hypotenuse. Now, the easiest way to solve these is to use the formula, the square root of leg 2, or leg squared, plus leg squared. So again, your legs are a and b. And then if you're looking for a leg value, you can do c squared minus leg squared, and then take the square root of that. You're just condensing the formula down. All right, so for example, a and b are legs, and c is the hypotenuse. And so the hypotenuse is always going to be opposite the right angle. On the opposite side, it's also always going to be the longest side. So if you solve one of these and the hypotenuse is not the longest side, then you know that you've messed up somewhere. You can also take this triangle and you can draw squares using the sides of the triangle, and the area of the two smaller squares, when you add them up, it's going to equal the area of the bigger square. So if we look at this one, the area of this smaller square is 9, and this bigger one is 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25, and sure enough, that is what the area of that square is. All right, so we are missing a c value. We are missing the hypotenuse. So we can do c equals the square root, one leg, so 5 squared, plus 12 squared. And so when you calculate that, the hypotenuse is going to be 13. And always check, 13 is bigger than 5 and 12, so I'm good there. All right, so on the next example, again, we're looking for the hypotenuse. So we're going to do the square root of 8 squared plus 8 squared. And c, you can write this as, some people leave it as a square root because that's the most specific form. So if you want an equal sign, it would be the square root of 128. If you want an approximation, we're going to round to the 10th here. The square root of 128 is about 11.3. All right, in these we're finding a missing leg. So we're going to do the square root of c squared minus the leg. So remember, c is opposite the right angle, and it's also your longest side. It does make a difference in subtraction what comes first. So this would be 7 squared minus 3 squared. So again, if you want to leave it in its most specific form, a would equal the square root of 40 if it wants an approximation. A is about 6.3. All right, so one more time, I'm looking for b. So b is a leg. Here's my hypotenuse. So 25 squared minus 7 squared. And this one comes out nice, pretty. I like it when they come out nice and pretty. So here, not c, I apologize. That would be b. b equals 24. And that is it for this video.